welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we're gonna be doing a cleaning video, and you're gonna be cleaning with me, okay? Because I said so, because I'm sick of y'all being lazy. So yeah, you're gonna help me clean. Stay tuned. Hey babies, so y'all see my room, y'all see it. It's just like, I don't know, like all right, so Nevaeh's crib, we're not gonna worry about that right now. My bed I gotta fix, closet gotta close, that bag right there I have to put up there in the closet. Then my dresser. Yeah, I'm just showing y'all how it looks. But my little vanity, I gotta fix this. Yeah. So y'all are going to watch me clean. I just want to do a little intro for y'all real quick because, you know. But I'm gonna show y'all my vanity. I'm still waiting on my organizing clear bins. Let me take this off. Yeah. I think that's gonna be a separate video. But I'm just gonna show you how I'm cleaning the top or whatever, and then the organizing will be in a separate video. All right, so this is how my vanity is looking. Real crazy. There, y'all see this? So I have to. All right, so this is my closet. I have mad nail stuff there, and then I dig in my drawers and just like leave it out. So I have to organize all of this. Honestly, some of these I'm getting rid of because my daughter obviously doesn't fit it anymore. She's tall, so she's little, but she's tall at the same time. So I'm thinking about either selling this or giving it to the thrift. I'm not sure. This I think she's gonna keep because it's just a sweater, so I'm sure it fits her. And this one too. But yeah, that's pretty much it. My bed, this stuff on the floor, that's clean right there. So I have to fold that, put them away in the drawers, fix all that, you know. And then this I'll have to put on my bed because I just got it today. And that's for the bed. So Nevaeh won't fall. And then say hi to Halo. Yeah. But that's pretty much it with this room. Y'all just gonna watch me clean. Let me do a quick. Why? Why is it doing that all of a sudden? Alrighty.
Jurors deny coercion. One is claiming charge.
From playing up to that female juror. He was staring right at her.
That's what he said. I did not notice anything on front.
It doesn't have to be. If you're the one with the BAU profile, messianic part, yes, you're seeing evidence of the messianic part right now. Is that the defendant never contacted you for testimony? No, absolutely not.
He's been locked up. It's not unheard of for him to find a way to send a message.
He didn't contact me. I just knew. Your wife was there. Yeah, we were going together. We have a connection. Defendant's case. Hierarchy of headings.
What are you crazy?
Sit your own.
Want to ask for a bit?
Extra strength. I'm so sorry. Okay, I don't think Monica can go through this again. I know that this would be difficult. No, she's at her breaking point. A few months ago,
It's my life.
Go to SMHU.edu to get started. I am not let that number. $1 million. Making Khan put up their house. Yeah, well, apparently now because the judge. Guys, the issue is that you managed to seduce a female juror from selling writers. Who's going to stop the match?
Excuse me, I've got to prepare for a trial again. Not to be redundant, I call them both witnesses.
Not federal charges. My boss decided to make a mistake. George is representing himself and to make that. I was about to call him and tell you. I never should have listened to you. I should have come to the agreement. We have to let it in. We're not trying to work on this. We are going to keep you and safe. No one understands. All right. What is it? Reese's right. She's gone that defendant anymore. He and his lawyer at the time, in my opinion, as an FBI behavioral profile of personality,
Play next time, please.
someone with a distorted sense of his own importance.
Alright, so I just left that like that. I didn't really have much to fix on there. Then I did my little vanity. We're still waiting for my containers to go in the drawer, so that's why I left that there. That's done with my makeup. This right here, I'm gonna be giving away because it is not given for my bed. It's too short and she could easily flip over this, so I'm gonna get another one. That is the same way the way it was. Bag. This one right here be messing up my room, making it look crazy with his stuff thrown out everywhere.
What were you planning to do after?
And then that's pretty much it, you know? Pretty much. Oh, my favorite too. I gotta watch Law and Order. Hey guys, so it's the next day. Yeah, I didn't get to end my video yesterday, but I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And let me know if y'all like these videos. Like, come on, like, it's good to clean your room because you feel better, you know? Like, Caleb, why you chatting? Like, anyway, I'm about to do my makeup and do some promo on TikTok. So catch me on TikTok. Just follow me right here. All right, I'm gonna see you on the next one.